The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indian Point Energy Center. Liquid coolant systems have failed and 2 reactors in the center are about to explode. This is not a test. The mayor of New York City has issued an evacuation order. All citizens within 100 miles of the Indian Point Energy Center are to evacuate immediately. Citizens within 150 miles are advised to lock all doors and windows, turn off all heating and ventilation systems, and seek shelter in the centralmost portion on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Store supplies for up to 14 days. Do not leave until the civil authorities give the all-clear. We are WNBC, and we will continue to serve the New York City area. Stand by for further updates. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed.